technically, what I think is concerning is that this is a log chart, Cara. So we're looking at, I just like log because it brings markets with very dramatic moves into a better perspective rather than your conventional charts. And what you can see, the low back around the COVID crash, 3,850, has nice trend line support coming in around 30,000 in Bitcoin. Now, the Bitcoin low in mid-May held that trend line support beautifully. But the other thing to be aware of is we potentially have a head and shoulders topping pattern forming on this chart as well. So you can see the left shoulder back at the start of 2021 on this chart. You would say that that's coming in around 42, 43,000. Bitcoin 3 or 4 weeks ago got up to 41,800, I think it was. And the neckline coincides very nicely with that trend line support coming in around 30,000. If that trend line support breaks, if that neckline breaks, then the next target is coming back to that 19,666 high we can see there at the end of June 2017. So a lot really riding on, not so much for me, the death cross. That certainly adds weight to the argument that potentially we're seeing Bitcoin setting up for a move lower. But it's more dependent to me on the fact that you've got this head and shoulders pattern playing out. You have trend line support coming out, coming in around 30,000. And additionally, if you zoom down onto the daily timeframes, the actual rally from the 30,000 low from mid-May over the past 4 to 5 weeks has displayed more corrective qualities rather than impulsive qualities. So what that's saying to us is, look, Bitcoin's not ready to get the heck out of here yet. There is a real chance we're going to see a fresh low, I think, in Bitcoin. Whether that low is down towards that 20,000 area or 25,000 remains to be seen. But yeah, a lot riding now for the next, for this trend line to hold, for this head and shoulders pattern to hold in place. There's potentially quite a bearish situation developing there for Bitcoin.